It was at the 1973 International Air Show at Paris, France, that the two rivals competed against one another in the air for the first time. On the 3rd of June, the third day of the show, Concorde gave its flying display. It was faultless. Concorde now took off, climbing very much more steeply from the runway than Concorde. The display was going well when the pilot appeared to pull up to avoid a near-flying Mirage fighter and then went into a dive. Some 1,500 feet from the ground, the plane broke up, the wreckage falling into a group of nearby houses. This disaster not only dashed the Soviet chance of foreign sales, but was also to be the eventual death knell of the project.